So the Miami method is a comprehensive and structured approach to solve difficult problems that combines and integrates data, artificial intelligence, and human judgment to make sure that the decisions you make are effective and efficient in the time that it takes for you to make them. What the Miami method does is it creates an overarching framework that integrates AI and helps students understand what model, what method, what decision problem to address depending upon the context. So asking the right questions, framing the right problem, putting that all together before you start pursuing a solution, before you start applying a method, that's what it does. We repeatedly apply the Miami method, guided by our faculty, over multiple iterations in different classes. And so by the end of the program, essentially, this decision approach, this approach to problem solving, becomes second nature to all of our students. So the big change that we see and we think will sustain is that there are no gaps in the thought process. There are no blind spots in the thinking. There are no oversights. There are no unvalidated assumptions that people are making in going through a problem. What it helps you do is take any business problem, regardless of size, complexity, regardless of which business function is involved, regardless of all of these things, you know that you have a robust approach to take apart this problem, solve it effectively, and present an effective and robust solution. And doing this multiple times over gives you so much confidence. That's a huge asset for these students to have when they graduate. So the biggest difference that we see from entry to exit is that confidence that they can take on whatever the world throws at them.